Happy 4th of July sa inyo pong lahat. Bago tayo umusog sa ating pag-uusapan, the Philippine Pride, Vice Ganda. Kumakalat ang balitang she is entering the politics? Watch the entire video. You'll find out. Sa noontime show ni Vice Ganda. And during the chit chat with the co host, she mentioned Vice Ganda wanted to enter politics to become a mayor of Quezon City. At ito naman po ay sinundan ng vlog ng kanyang kaibigan na si Ogie Diaz. Sinasabing tatakbo si Vice Ganda. Vice Ganda has been in the business for quite some time, and she have done many interviews with various celebrities, including politicians. And let us not forget, she had made an effort to endorse Lenny Robredo. In one of the political meeting, Vice Ganda have accepted the fact that she wanted to become the president of the Philippines. She had a meeting already with the current president of the Philippines, Bongbong Marcos. And it looks like we are looking at the first LGBTQ president of the Philippines. Let's wait and see. You like this content? Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.